Morning everyone, welcome on the side of Travan. I'm out with Rusty today. We were supposed to be somewhere else on a V-diff, but yeah, lucky it started raining. So we're on the side of Travan and we're going to tackle one I've been looking at, but I haven't had a chance to do yet. We're going up Milestone Buttress. So, break free. Let's rock and roll. I'm in. Here it goes. Take.
Right, you can sort of park your ass there.
Park my ass there, right on the spike.
Yeah.
Lovely. Climb in. Woohoo! Right, lovely. Oh, easy stuff here. I'm in. Boy. About them feet. Yeah, there you go. And we're going out. Right. Oh Jesus!
On those toes, man.
There you go.
Good work, good work.
There we go. Oh, lovely.
Right, you can. I know it's a puddle, but if you can drop down there.
In the puddle. Lovely.
You can sit down if you like as well.
In the puddle.
You happy there?
Yeah, it's good. Whew, lovely. Look at that view, guys. In Ogwen, gone, been early wind. We're on Milestone Buttress and we're going up this section in a minute. As soon as Rusty calls us over. Yeah. Bit of slack still, Rusty. Yeah, that's me. Alright, climb in. Oh, lovely section this. Looks like somebody used that as well. Whew. Lovely. Oh, yeah. That was a nice pitch, that.
Right, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. That's got some good moves on it, this scramble.
Whew. It's going around the corner now. It's a bit slippery here. Get some holes in. Let's get one up, put a foot there. Oh. Yeah, boy. Whoa. Look at that. What a review.
We're going straight across.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to veer off as the rest of the Milestone Buttress is mostly header bashing. We're going to veer off and then make a descent. Yeah.
Come down to the wall.
Jesus Christ, that's
Yeah.
a bit on the slick side. I'm in. Yeah, boy.
Looks like somebody's nicked the abseil tap, which is a bit boring. Yeah, come down there, mate.
Yeah. It's slick in places, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm in. But shit. Hello. Oh god, I gotta go back out. Aye?
Sure, we'll do it again before the day's out.
Yeah. So yeah, we're just abseiling down now. as yeah, we're not doing the old heather bashing, guys. Right, so that was epic. Milestone Buttress. That's off the list now. We have sailed down nicely over here. Fantastic, guys, absolutely fantastic. So it goes to show Travan has got so many faces and an enormous amount of great scrambles. So yeah, that was that. I hope you enjoyed this adventure. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. But for now, thank you all for watching, and I hope to catch you on the next adventure. See you later, guys.